morning, especially of how the police had to use tear gas shells and water cannons to stop these farmers. But now in their march, as they have moved ahead, they are in Karnal in Haryana. And this despite high police deployment at several of these checkpoints. The Delhi-Gurugram border that has been completely cleared by the police, and you see water cannons that continue to be used so that these farmers can be dispersed, but they are still clearing their way as they are on the Chalo Delhi march. Amandeep is getting us the latest from there. Let's listen into what he's saying.
The visuals, the way you are witnessing the visuals is completely telling that in fact the Haryana police is trying to use all the tactics to halt the process of farmers to Chalo Delhi march to just stop them here in Karnal itself. But the farmers are not at all here to stop. In fact, they have proved themselves behind this also. Just twice the Haryana police has twice attempted to block the farmers right away, but they have delayed but not denied. In fact, they are moving continuously, facing all the water cannons, facing all the tear gas shells. And you can see the visuals. In fact, along with the tear gas, also the water cannons are being fired towards the farmers so that they can roll back the protest. But this is not exactly happening. They are all coming forward with the full force. They are all coming forward with more energy. Such attempts were earlier also attempted by the Haryana police, but nothing was happened. The farmers were continuously moving on this national highway towards the Delhi. This is what happening. This is what we're witnessing since morning. And even the tear gas shells have been fired many a times on this highway, on the farmers also. But nothing has been materialized, Swesha. Nothing has been. They are coming with the full energy. They are coming with the full force. And in fact, they are not going back. And even over to studio.
All right, so the situation extremely critical in Karnal, because these are the kind of pictures we have been seeing since this morning, as farmers are trying everything possible to reach the national capital. These are farmers from Punjab and Haryana who have taken to the streets in a bid to reach the national capital and protest the centre's recently passed farm bills. And several barricades that have been broken by them. In fact, certain cops who have also been attacked by these farmers. And water cannons, tear gas shells that are being used to stop these farmers. Remember, it is the police force of Haryana and Delhi also working in coordination, as they are now heightening the police deployment at several of these checkpoints so that the farmers cannot cross. This in the meanwhile, as Punjab Chief Minister has also criticized this move of using power against these farmers and questioning the Haryana government as to why the farmers are not being allowed to protest.